This is how to make money with Pawns.App in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to earn extra cash with your phone. This app has paid me over $50. Let me show you. You can see I cashed out this over $5 through Amazon gift cards some times ago, and I currently have over $46 to withdraw, but I can only collect $42. Click withdraw. You can see your withdrawals request was successful, and you can see that I received the money the same day. This website is legitimate and you can cash out your money in Nigeria. You can see you'll be able to earn up to $100 per game offerings. You can also earn up to $5 for every service, and you can make $12 every day with this website when you put that your phone to use. For you to earn a lot of money working online in Nigeria, you need to work with multiple apps. This is why I'll be introducing to you towards the end of this video 23 apps that makes me money every day right here in Nigeria. You will also see my proof of earnings on each of these apps. You will also get to know a particular website that will always help you to get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria when you work with most of these apps. So ensure you watch this video to the end. But first, do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You'll be able to get to know as I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So how do you make money with Pawns.App in Nigeria? Let me show you. When you use the link below the description of this video, you will get to this page and you'll be able to claim your free $3 sign up bonus. You just click claim $3 now. You can see you'll be able to earn easy extra income with this app. You can see you'll be able to play games with that your phone and you get reward for doing that. You'll be able to earn cash taking surveys with this app. Another great way to make easy money with this app is to log in every day so that you can make money with your unused data. Especially if you have access to internet, you can earn extra cash doing this, and you can make $12 every day with this website. All you need to do is to be consistent when you put that your phone to use. This is the inside of my Pawns.App. You can see my current balance. Don't forget, I cashed out over $46 yesterday. Between that time and now, look at how much I've made. To get started, to play games, you click games. The first thing you need to do is to decide what type of device you are going to use. Do you have an Android phone? Is it an iPhone? Is it an iPad or other tablet that you are going to use for this task? Look at different games that you can play. This is $11, this is $17, this is $10. You have many of them. This is $5. These are games that you can sit down and play with your phone. This is $26. This is why you can earn $100 for every game offerings on this platform. So many games that you can play and earn real money in dollars with this app. As long as you are consistent and you are serious, you are going to make good money with this app right here in Nigeria. So all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, claim your free $3 gift and start doing this simple task with your phone. Another way to make money by doing surveys. You click surveys. This is my app. For you to make more money and have access to surveys, you need to use your app. You can see complete qualification surveys. You have to complete some set of surveys that will earn you these points. This 5 points, this another 5 points. These qualification surveys will establish your details on the platform. Ensure you supply your real legit detail, because you cannot lie doing surveys. You have to be sincere and never use VPN. So after completing qualification survey, you then initiate your survey. You now continue to have access to this survey. You also have daily tasks. So all you just need to do is to interact with this app to earn more money. You can see you click reward. This one is free. Spin the wheel. This spin the wheel will earn you 10 points. You just click spin for free. You check this every day. You can see this one earn me instant 5 points. You spin again, you can see I've won another 15 points. This is how you interact with the app and you'll be able to earn extra cash with your phone. Thank you. Another way to make good money on this platform is to invite your friends and family members. You just click invite a friend. Every friend that you invite with your link to this platform, you get paid $3 when they cash out. So your friends has to work and cash out for you to earn any good money on this platform. Your friends will also get $3 when they use your link. And you can also use my link to claim your own $3 free sign up bonus. All you need to do is to use your link, copy it, and send it to your friends and family members to start using this app. But how do you get paid? Ensure you subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell. You get to know as I publish my videos every week. You can also watch my video. The link will come out here. You see step by step of how I cash out from this platform. But for you to cash out, you click payout method. In case you are watching me from another country, you select your country first here. Look at the list of different countries are here. I'm from Nigeria and in Nigeria. These are different payment methods that is available to Nigerians. For most of the payment methods, you'll be charged on this platform. I'm going to explain to you what to do so that you'll not be charged when you are cashing out. If you select Bitcoin, you can see they will charge you minimum of $4. If you select Payoneer, they will charge you minimum of 0.25. But the reason why you can't use Payoneer is this. When your money get to Payoneers, you must have $50 before you can withdraw your money to Nigeria. If you use virtual gift cards, it is only this payment method that you will not be charged, and it is going to be very difficult for you to cash out your money. And if you decide to go to another platform that will collect this card for you to exchange for cash, they will collect charges, except you decide to make a purchase with this your card. This is my advice. If you stick with Bitcoin, you will have an option to sign up to this exchange. You see the link to this exchange below the description of my video. You are going to get a huge welcome bonus. If you transfer your Bitcoin to this BitLocus platform, you will not pay any fee. Those are the best way to escape paying charges. Make sure you get your KYC verified before you transfer your money to that exchange. You can now make money with Pawns.App with that your phone. All you need to do is to download this app, claim your free $3 sign up bonus, then ensure you always use your phone or tablet to work with this app. That is the only way to get more games and surveys as tasks on this particular app. Another website that will help you to make money right here in Nigeria is ATM. Ensure you claim your free $3 sign up bonus. For you to make a lot of money working from home using that your phone, you need to interact with multiple of these apps. This is why I did a video about 23 apps that makes me money every day in Nigeria. Ensure you watch this video. You'll be able to see my payment proofs. The best of these apps are towards the end of that video. Ensure you watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.